Are you ready to send Bitcoin with Cash App but stuck on the verification process? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow so you can get verified fast and start sending Bitcoin today. First, open your Cash App and make sure you're logged in with your phone number or email and password. From the home screen, tap on the Investing tab. This is where you'll manage stocks and crypto. Next, tap Bitcoin from the available options. If you haven't purchased any Bitcoin yet, go ahead and buy a small amount first. You'll need it to activate the send feature. Once inside the Bitcoin section, look for the option that says Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. Tap it, and Cash App will prompt you to verify your identity. This is where you'll enter your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. In some cases, they may ask for your full SSN, your address, a government-issued photo ID, or even proof of income. Don't worry. All of this information is encrypted and securely sent to Cash App's servers. After submitting your details, the verification process usually takes just a few minutes, but can take longer depending on your case. Once approved, you'll receive a notification and your account will now have higher limits and full access to send and receive Bitcoin. Verification isn't just for Bitcoin. It also unlocks features like unlimited cash balance, the ability to order a cash card, and even sponsor accounts for teens. Plus, it removes the $1,000 sending and receiving limit you'd normally face every 30 days with an unverified account. So, there you have it. You're now ready to send Bitcoin securely and without limits. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and check out the description for helpful resources and updates.